All right, everybody. Hello and welcome back. We are on level 4 of lesson 20, collision detection. So it says applesauce. In this program, the blender should only turn on when the apple touches it. So like this. Okay. Do this. Check if the apple is touching the blender. Drag out an if statement inside the draw loop. Add an is touching block into the if statement. Change the sprite and the target to the correct sprite names. Make the blender shake only when the apple is touching it. Move the line of code that shakes the blender into the if statement. Optional, you may also want to hide the apple when it touches the blender. All right, so it says create the sprite, so all that's taken care of. And then check if the apple is touching the blender. So we need to do if, and then if apple is touching blender, then blender needs to move around and all of this will happen. So we can add that right there. Okay. And then optional, let's go for the optional. You may also want to hide the apple when it touches the blender. All right, so let's do sprite visibility. So apple visibility is false. So let's run. Whoop, there it goes. All right, excellent. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it even turns off after a second. I love that. All right, so with that, we're done, and I will see you on level 5. Rocking and rolling and going through it really quickly.